Hi, I am going to talk about my hobbies. Let's get started. One of my favorite things to do in my free time is pursuing hobbies. Hobbies are activities that I enjoy and that bring me joy and relaxation. I have a few hobbies that I like to engage in regularly. One of my hobbies is reading. I love getting lost in a good book and immersing myself in different worlds and stories. Reading allows me to use my imagination and learn new things. Whether it's a thrilling adventure or a heartwarming romance, books always take me on exciting journeys. Another hobby I have is drawing. I enjoy expressing my creativity through art. With a pencil or paintbrush in hand, I can bring my imagination to life on a blank canvas. It's a way for me to relax and let my thoughts flow freely. I draw all sorts of things, from landscapes to portraits of people and animals. In addition to reading and drawing, I also enjoy playing a musical instrument. I play the guitar, and strumming its strings fills me with joy. It allows me to create beautiful melodies and express my emotions through music. Whether I'm playing alone or with friends, music always brings a sense of harmony into my life. Another hobby that I find enjoyable is gardening. I love spending time outdoors, getting my hands dirty, and tending to plants. Watching seeds grow into beautiful flowers or harvesting fresh vegetables brings me a sense of accomplishment. It's rewarding to see the fruits of my labor and contribute to the beauty of nature. Lastly, I enjoy spending time with my friends and family. Whether it's going for a walk, playing sports, or simply having a good conversation, being with loved ones is a hobby in itself. It allows me to create lasting memories and strengthens the bonds I have with the important people in my life. Having hobbies is a wonderful way to relax, learn, and pursue my passions. They bring me happiness and allow me to explore my interests. Engaging in my hobbies helps me unwind from daily stress and adds a sense of fulfillment to my life. I look forward to continuing to explore new hobbies and discovering even more things that bring me joy. Thanks for watching. You had made great jobs. See you next lessons. Bye bye.